2 days ago we were out here and it was negative 25, maybe even colder than that, with a wind chill of negative 45 to negative 50. We're a little bit protected back here in the woods, so the flag isn't blowing real hard, but you get out into the fields or the open areas, it's really blowing out there. 2 days later, we're out here, it's 41 degrees. I don't even know what the wind chill is, but the winds are blowing slightly out of the south. I don't know if you can see the flag behind me there. And much warmer temperatures today. We're gonna get the tractor out, drop the blade down, and then back drag on some of the solid surfaces to try and remove the snow that has packed down on the cement pad for our driveway, and then also some of the blacktop down at the end of the drive as well. Let's see how it works. After making a number of passes by back dragging the snow, I use the blade and push what I have removed so far forward off of the drive. Being able to tilt the plow blade forward with the loader arms makes it easier to scrape the solid surfaces clean without having the plow shoes in the way. Thanks for watching this video here on our big house in the little woods. If you haven't already subscribed, you can click the icon located up here. Otherwise, check out an entire playlist of videos with our John Deere 3038E plowing snow. Or click down here for all our other videos relating to our tractor. Thanks for watching.